All right, we got Mark mixing up some tempura beer batter for our Peter the Pike that we're going to cook for some fish tacos. It's looking tasty, Mark. First of the fish going on.
Listen to that sizzle.
Yeah. All right, fish is almost done. Look at that pot of fish we've got there. I guess that was not too small of a pike you got there, Mark. Eh?
Good tea.
All right, fish tacos are ready. We got some chipotle mayo on there. Tempura beer battered Peter the Pike. Some green onions and some hot sauce. Mark did a good job.